everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 10th to the 14th of August 2026 on Monday. Kunzi's lawyer can't help but question Kazimulo's intentions. The day Fikile has been dreaming about finally comes true, and a brave act from Kazimulo saves Kwanjomane on Tuesday. Sbu's building future with her while trying to be a father to him. In Hawu's book, a new chapter begins with name Mchunu. Ma1010 plays the game quietly, but he's plays to win. On Wednesday, Ma1010 mind game that leaves Nkazimulo questioning how much danger he's really in. Sbu calls out what he sees as Fikile's selfishness on Thursday. Kazimulo and Getcha confirm that Amantaliane are working with Mvikele. They must figure out a way to stay 2 steps ahead. Sbu gives Fikile the cold shoulder, and that leads her to feel insecure in her position as his fiancé. Hawu is welcome to the Mchunu family, where he finally finds belonging and peace on Friday. Sibongiseni finds an escape in bad company. Fikile confronts Sbu about his strange behavior, only to end up even more unsettled. One Kazimulo and Getcha set a trap for Amantaliane. Well guys, that's what I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.